Om Mahaganapate Namaha. Om Narayanaaya Namaha. Today is the 30th stanza, Vishnu Sahasranama Shloka. Ojas Tejo Dyuti Dharaha Praka Shatma Pratapanaha Riddhaha Spashtaksharo Mantras Chandramshur Bhaskarat Dyutihi. Now this Ojas Tejo Dyuti Taraha is all one word only. We have to take, the Sa will go away. Ojaha, Tejaha, Dyuti Dharaha. Dyutihi is, so now Ojaha is highly virile. Bhagavan is highly strong, virile, creator of progenies. Ojas means that's a word. It's a virility for men, women. Ojas is a particular word in Sanskrit used for virility, virile. And Tejaha is a divine shine. A divine shine means we say he's having the Tejas. Tejasvi, there's a names also. Oja is also a name in our Hindu names. Tejaha is also a divine shine. Tejas, particularly referring to the face. Because all these Shankaracharyas and all rishis or all the divine persons, they will have some divinity, they will shine. Tejaha, it's also the same meaning as somewhat same as Ojas, but one is virile and one is that divine intellectual shine. The other is Dyutihi. Dyutihi is again brilliance, effulgence, I would say. You can see a halo. You can see we paint in our pictures a halo, a round sun behind the picture of gods or devas. You can say that is a Dyuti, the effulgence, the light emanated by the effulgence. So it's a lovely word. These are all Sanskrit pure words. So perfect translation cannot be there, but this is a meaning. And Daraha, one who wears that, one who has that. Aham Dharami means I am wearing. Aham Vastram Dharami means I am wearing Vastra. Dharayami, I told you, I am making other man to wear. That's all. Aham Pushpamalam Dharayami, I am making God to wear my Pushpamala offered to him like that. So Daraha is one who wears what? Ojaha, Tejaha and Dyutihi. All these things are brilliance, but brilliance, one is virility, one is that intellectual effulgence, tejas, brilliance that is. The other is Dyutihi, the shine, the extreme shine, the halo is the artha. Prakashatma, prakashaha atma. The atma of Bhagavan is not dull, it is shining atma. It is not, it's a divine, effulgent Atma, glowing Atma. It is not dull, like matte finish, no. It is not matte finish, it is shining finish. So, Prakash Atma, Pratapanaha. See, even this pra is always upasargaha. 22 upasargahas is pra, one of them is pra. It adds greatest, invaluable. I told you, immovable, movable, immovable. Immovable, ayam is a upasargaha in English, for example. So, this pratapam, tapa means impact, the heat tapam, as we say about, particularly with reference to the weather, the heat, tapam of the heat. Tapaha means the affliction of the heat. It's an atmospheric condition, it is a heat. And Pratapanaha, one who gives the energy, that's the idea. He gives the energy, tapam he gives. Not the heat means the heat which boils our, no. It is the energy, the brilliant, hot energy means the infinitely radiating energy he gives. One who gives that is called tapanaha. That visargaha will come ramaha. Subandha pratyaha, noun. So, pratapanaha. Next comes Ridduhu. Ridduhu means prosperity. What is prosperity? Prosperity, actually, prosperity in every field. That's what I would say. It's not money. It's not only happiness, it is not only marital chords, marital happiness, educational happiness, living happiness. So he is the Ridduhu. If you think of him, all these bodily impacts, Shariram, journey of our body life, also you can get. That's what Bhishmacharya tells Yudhishthira. He is a Ridduhu. Spashta Aksharaha. Spashtaksharaha. Spashta means clarifying, good pronunciation. All these things, artha is there. Aksharaha here means your pronunciation of the words. See, Twashtar, a very big king, a Rakshasa king they say in the Vedic times, he did a yaga to produce a son to kill Indra. He wanted to kill Devendran. But using wrong pronunciation, the son which came out of the yaga was killed by Indra. So that's why I used to say in Gayatri Mantra, don't say na prachodayat. That is wrong. Prachodayat is instigation. Prachodanam, pra plus chodanam, instigation. Maybe instigated is prachodayat. Vidiling lakara we say in that. The point is, we have to, you cannot say some dosha in some da, you should not. Da, dosha means papaha or mistake. Ta, the first da we have to use. So the akshara must be very spashtam, very clear, and the ucharanam and all must be very clean. You cannot say naha prachodayat. Naha means you have to say naha prachodayat. Naha means second vibhakti bahuvachanam in Sanskrit. Aham asmat shabdasya dvitiya vibhakti eva bahuvachanam. Aham avam vayam or asman naha. To all of us it means. Aham avam vayam mam, me. Mama, mam or ma. Avam, we too. Avam or now also you can use we too. Asman, we all. Or naha also is we all. So if you say naha prachodayat, let it be instigating to all of us. Iti arthaha bhavati tatra. If you say na prachodayat, viparita artham eva. Opposite meaning. Don't instigate. Don't kindle us. Don't motivate us. It becomes wrong. So, spashta aksharaha where? In mantraha. Mantra bhalam. Mantra has to be chanted properly because everything is interconnected. I told you of the Steve Vax experience where he takes a cell of mine and cultures it 30 miles apart and then measures the EEG right now of my cell here in this room. And then the EEG means electroencephalogram. That is all ECG, something like ECG you take, electrocardio for the heart. He takes my cell and then when the chart is prepared here in my room and my same cell 30 miles away, when my chart is prepared there, both have the same EEG, electric current. That means there is no wire and all connecting my cell here to 30 miles away, my cell being cultured in a lab. At atomic level, at the quantum level, we are all interconnected. That's a proof. So mantra, if you say the word, which good words if you speak, it creates a positive vibe. With the good spelling, pronunciation, spashta aksharaha is required for the mantra. That's what Bhishma advises. You don't think these are all very just like that. Bhishma gives a thoughtful, deep, profound words. If you take that, sit down calmly and analyze and think about it and ruminate about it, you will get the wonderful, profound, unfathomable meaning. Then mantra, then he says Chandram Shuhu. Chandram Shuhu is, I can say Chikir Shuhu means one, a person who is interested to do a thing is called Chikir Shuhu. One, Chandram Shuhu may also be mean that one who is interested in moon, that is the moonlight. One who is interested, he is a person interested in giving us the moonlight. He is a person who gives us the moonlight, the cool energy. And in Saptami Vibhakti, Amshaha, Amshuhu, we can also say amongst or in or on the light of the Chandran, the moon. The moon has a beautiful glowing light, it gives light but cool light. It's not like sun. So he is also there. He is also a Amshaha of the Chandra, of the rays of the Chandra. He is a Chandra himself. Chandra Amshuhu. He is a person. Amshuhu, if you take the world as a whole, you can do that. And Bhaskara Dutihi. Bha. I told you what is Bha. Bha means intelligence, knowledge, light. Bhayam Rata Bharata. Our country is called Bharata because it depends on the Bhayam. It is in the light. It depends, it's engaged with the light. That is called the Rata. That's why I'm telling you, Rata, first Rata is different. This means engaged on or depending on. Whereas Ratha is a chariot. So we have to, so this Bhaskara Dvitihi is effulgence. So Bhaskarasya Dvitihi, the effulgence of the rays of the sun, he is a person. So he is as, not only Chandran, cool light, but he is also energy giving light. He is also the brilliant light where we require fire for our daily life. So he is that. So Bhishma's words, Bhishma's Namani is all not simple, with all deep meaning. So I will give you the numberings. So we start with Ojaha, Tejaha, Dyuti, Daraha, all becomes one word, is 275. Then Prakashatma is 276. Pratapanaha is 277. Then Riddaha we will say 278. Spashta Aksharaha 279. Mantraha 280. Chandramshu 281. Bhaskara Ditihi 282. Om Dirghayushman Bhava, Dirgha Sumangali Bhava, Sarva Vyadhi Nivarana Praptirastu, Sarva Aishwaryam, Abhivirdhir Bhavato, Sarva Mangalani Bhavanto, Tathastu, Tathastu, Tatha Astu.